So when we get into this area, we want to frame the face. A lot of framing has already been done with the layering technique that we've done in the front. So if we do want to do any more framing, this would be the time to do it. I don't really think we need to, but if we did, let's do a little bit. Going to be over directing this forward, coming back behind, and just slide cutting through. Do that one more time. Grabbing that section, over directing it forward, slide cutting through that wet hair. Over directing this, coming back, just like that. Over directing it forward, and just slide cutting from that shorter fringy area down to that perimeter. So now we really need to free up this perimeter around the ear to really make it that mullet pixie that we want. So from here, it's really kind of a visual cutting type thing. You want to think about where the shortest part in this haircut you want, and I want that shortest part to be right here at the top of the ear. And we're going to think about an upside down V. We're just going to be cutting all the way towards the perimeter here and cutting all the way towards the perimeter there. So we're going to be taking vertical diagonal forward sections this time, like so. And we're going to be over directing this back to mirror that cutting line. We're going to be doing some point cutting. This is the first point cutting that I've used through the haircut because this I want to be a lot more soft and lived in around here. Take that next section, over direct that back, find your previously cut section here, start, and then move towards that perimeter. So you really have that opening up over that ear. So now let's do the exact same thing until we have no more hair left. Not gonna have much hair left there. Now we're going to be doing the same thing, moving back this way, over directing that front, opening up that area behind the ear, combing that into that V area, grabbing a guide from what we've already cut at the very top, right around that ear. Now we're going to be doing the same thing. And doing some point cutting all the way towards the very center back. And we're going to move one past center and do the exact same thing on the other side. Make sure you find your guide. There it is. Over directing that center all the way towards this side portion. One more, it's going to be the last one past center, just to see if we need to cut anything. Over directing that all the way to a stationary guide, and you're good to go. So remember the V that we did. We're going to be doing apex to behind the ear, vertical diagonal forward. We're going to be over directing this back. Over directing this back to that stationary guide. One more section. Should be good. Just cleaning up any loose ends. Now do the same thing in the back that we did on the other side, mirroring that hairline, making sure you got that clean section. We're over directing all this towards the front now, finding that center section right above the ear, moving all the way down, and just connecting everything towards what we have previously done. Y'all getting those cutting little snippets? We got one more past center, and we should be good. And we can get this hair dry and really start making it look how we want it whenever she wants to leave. The wet portion is done. Very fun, very pixie-ish, mullet-ish, but it'll really come alive whenever we get it dry and we start refining and making it look exactly how we want to. So, I'll see you on the other side.